The fascinating and dangerous lionfish. With its striking stripes and flowing fins, the lionfish looks like a coral reef supermodel. But beneath its beauty lies danger, venomous spines, and an insatiable appetite. This invasive predator is a captivating mix of elegance and menace. Native to the Indo-Pacific, lionfish aren't just pretty, they're ravenous eaters. In regions like the Atlantic, they've turned into ecological bullies, dominating reefs and devouring native marine life. Their rapid reproduction only intensifies the problem. Lionfish don't just threaten fish, they endanger entire ecosystems. Their invasion disrupts the delicate balance of marine habitats, which can affect coastal communities and even the seafood on your plate. Saving the oceans means tackling this stunning menace. Communities are taking action. Divers, chefs, and researchers are teaming up to hunt lionfish, promote it as a sustainable food source, and restore balance to the reefs. There's even a culinary twist. Lionfish tacos, anyone? Support ocean conservation, eat sustainable seafood, or raise awareness about invasive species. Together, we can protect our oceans and celebrate their beauty, not just for today, but for generations to come. Like this video and subscribe.